Yeah, hi, myself Venkat from NC's IT Services Private Limited. In this video, we'll see using delegate controls in SharePoint server. Okay, basically, the delegate controls are available in SharePoint master pages. These delegate controls having its own business logic implemented. But as a developer, we can customize the SharePoint center controls without editing or even touching the master page. In SharePoint context, delegate control is a user control having its own business logic implemented, which replaces the existing controls used in SharePoint master pages. Means actually we are not we were not modifying any master pages. Okay, already master pages having its own built-in delegate controls used. So if you want to customize the business logic of the implemented delegate control, we can customize it with the help of delegate controls concept in SharePoint. Just quick look at some of the out-of-box delegate controls in SharePoint master page. These are the few I mentioned, but we have few other available in SharePoint master page. But majorly we will be focusing on these to customize our delegate controls. In most of the scenarios, most of the companies they won't customize all these components, but generally some companies they will do this search related one and this global navigation bar and promoted actions and should work branding delegate and should link delegate and promoted actions delegate in SharePoint master page. And in our case, now we are going to look at one small demo. We are creating a delegate control to replace the toolbar branding delegate control with a logo in SharePoint on-premises environment. So here actually I am working on on-premises. Okay, in on-premises, if you look at your page, top left of your page you can see the text SharePoint. If it is on-premises, you can see the text as SharePoint itself. If you are working in SharePoint online, the same location you find the text as Office 365. So my scenario is, my requirement is just my client wanted to use a logo, group logo in this location. He wanted to use all the SharePoint sites throughout the form. So here I'll be attaching throughout my form. Just we are going to look at that thing. So creating the delegate control involves two steps in SharePoint. One is creating a custom user control with business logic implemented. So in our scenario, user control is nothing but a delegate control only, and we have our own business logic will be implementing in our Visual Studio. And once the business logic is implemented, I am creating a feature to attach that custom delegate control with predefined delegate control from the master page. So here if you can see the elements.xml file here, there just simply I am referring the control where my custom control implemented. And the main thing we have to remember is the ID you have to mention the same thing whatever available in master page. And the second thing is the sequence also very important. Sequence plays major role in assigning the control in that particular location. So the lowest number having highest preference. So remember providing the sequence number is the lowest number. So that one. So now we are going to create one Visual Studio project. So now I am opening the Visual Studio project, and my Visual Studio project I am writing the delegate control. The delegate control later replaces the SharePoint text into my one logo, one image. So create a SharePoint empty project from Visual Studio. Yeah, new project. Yeah, here I'm giving demo delegate control. Demo delegate control, I'm giving the name. Okay, it's already available, so better if you can provide different name. Demo delegate control 2 I'm giving. Yeah, so this is the site. I want to deploy in this particular site as a form solution. Just click on the finish. Yeah, it is created. Now in Visual Studio project I am adding one user control. Right click on this project, add new item. So here I have the user control. I am giving name as delegate user control. You can give any name, it is fine. It need not to be a specific name. That is your own. You can mention whatever name you want. So in this, of course, user control, you can design your own user interface element. But here I am not giving a great design. What I am giving just I am taking one div. I am giving the ID equal to div1 something whatever, and run it equal server. So I am not adding so many controls in my page, just simple logic. This one and .cs file I am writing some server side code here and adding the namespace related to the SharePoint. SharePoint. So here class level I want to get my site context also, so I am taking this word. Context.current. Just taking the object, and I am declaring an image control also. Image logo. Yeah. So here image logo. Image. So for this, I'll be adding some property related to image, alternate text. You can add anything, but in my case, I'm just adding when sys group. This is the main thing. Here I want to use one particular image. So I don't have image here. So I'll be adding one image also in my project. So first I'll be adding one new item, that is map folder. I am adding the images map folder, and in this I am adding one existing image from my desktop. I hope I have in my desktop an image with one sys. Just I am adding the one sys, and here once it is deployed, okay, once it is deployed, this image is deployed in a SharePoint Hive location, images folder location. So I will be referring from that location itself. So image dot src image URL, right? So image URL equal to here web dot URL. Again I have to use this SharePoint URL, so I'll be using our layouts 15 images. This is our folder name, and then when says .png. Yes, it's done. So now finally this image I have to add to my div control, div1.controls.add. So I'll be showing there itself, right? So I'll be adding there. So and one small thing here, this is logo, not logo. Yeah. So I'm changing logo. just now this user control related business logic is implemented. So mine is very simple, but in your case you can develop the complex one. This was just introduction purpose. So here I am adding one feature. That feature is basically attaching this user control with predefined built-in delegate control available in master page. So I am adding one feature. Right click on the features folder, add feature. Here I am giving deploy delegate control. So better if you provide proper message here. It deploys delegate control for suite bar branding delegate. So here the scope is form. Actually I want it throughout the form level. This one, it's done. And now I have to add one empty element. So I'm adding one empty element. Here I will be giving the name as suite bar element. Suite bar element. Now you can see here elements.xml file. I will be referring the control, yes, and here I want to mention the ID. I want to mention the source. Yes, I will be monitoring that. So that is nothing but this is the location. Control template. Control templates, yes. Here. This one. Remove delegate control to delegate control to, and my delegate name is this one. And the major thing is you have to mention ID. This is the one. So you have to give the same name. That name is suite bar branding delegate. Okay. Suite bar branding delegate. And one more thing is this is also important sequence. Just I am giving all one. Okay. So it's done. Now my code is done. Just I am deploying my delegate control. Just right click on the project, deploy it. Yeah, we have to wait now until you can this particular delegate control is deployed to the form. Yeah, you can see now this deploy succeeded. Now you can go to your site, just refresh the site. You will get this logo here. Yeah, it's deployed. You can see now it's available here. The logo is attached in your suite bar branding delegate place. So this is the way how we can customize the existing delegate control from the master page. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video, and you can see so many other videos I'll be releasing soon. Thank you.